How to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and click on your profile at the bottom right. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and click on Account Type and Tools. Click on Account Type and switch your account to Professional, which is Creator or Business if you don't have one from here. After you have switched, go back. Click on the plus icon at the top left in your profile. Click on Story. Add something to your story by pressing on your story. After your story is uploaded, simply click on it and then click on the three dots at the bottom right. Here, click on Highlight. Press on New. Add. Now, if somebody sees your highlight or your profile and is stalking you, they'll see your highlight, and if they click on it, they'll view your story, and you will find who viewed your story in here in the viewer section of the story. And this is how to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.